Entrepreneurs and marketers, swallow this sour pill. A better product or service will not magically let you dominate your niche. A better product or service will not miraculously get you high paying customers. A better product or service will not marvelously make you a market leader. I don't talk without proof. So let's take the cola war. There is an endless debate about which tastes better. With a blind test, it was proved that Pepsi tastes better than Coke. But you all know who wins the market, who sells more, who is the market leader? It's the Coca-Cola. Heck, even in the blind test survey between New Coke and the Classic Coke, even though like 2 million people confirmed that New Coke tastes better, it's Classic Coke that dominates the market. Guess why? Classic Coke won the perception battle in the minds of people. Classic Coke won the positioning battle in the market. Now, I'm not saying be shitty as those colas and exploit the weakness of people for your profit. What I'm saying is quit the better claim in your marketing. Quit screaming your product is the best in the market. Quit pushing your product is better. Because, one, nobody believes it. With time, anyone can become better than you. 3. Better is a relative truth and is an illusion. So, what should you do instead? Focus on winning the perception battle with your marketing. Be different, be unique, be original. That's how you win the competitive race in an oversaturated market. That's how you build a loyal tribe of customers and clients for your business. That's how you end up attracting customers and clients who are happy to pay more. So, let me know if this tip was helpful. I would love to hear your thoughts and comments. And if you found this video valuable, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting stories on sales, marketing, and business life. Cheers.